In this video, I will show you how to go ahead and make use of TradingView on your mobile phone. So if you're finding it difficult to navigate the TradingView app on your phone, or this is your first time making use of TradingView on your phone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and make use of TradingView. Now, I don't need to tell you to go ahead and install the mobile app. I'm sure you already have that. So as you can see, coming to the app for the first time, it's going to look really tricky. And I'm going to be talking about a lot of things in this video. So as you can see right here, this first section here is the watch list, and what this watch list is all about is where you can add various assets that you want to watch. So if you have a particular currency or you have a particular crypto pair that you feel you're going to be trading every single time, you can actually go ahead and add them to your watch list. Now if you notice, I have various watch lists here. I have crypto, I have FX, and I have stock. Now this means I'll be able to create different watch lists for different things I do, which is crypto, forex, and stock. So as you can see, in order for you to create your various watch lists, you just have to scroll. This place is scrollable. Just scroll them to the right or left. Then you're going to see add list. If you click on add list, then you can give the list a name. Then once you give the list a name, it's going to look blank. Then all you just have to do is to click on add symbol, which you're going to find. So let's say you're going to find add symbol, then you click on add symbol, and now you're going to see stocks, funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bond, economy, and options. Now you can see. So all you just have to do is to go ahead and click on. You can click on any of this category. If you feel you want to filter by category, you can click by category. So let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and add crypto pairs. I just have to come to the crypto pairs section, and then I'll click on search. Then now, by searching for a crypto pair, you can also filter. You can also use the filter option. This allows you to filter by exchanges. If you have a particular exchange you want to trade with, you can actually check if it's available here, especially for the crypto markets. Most of the exchange platforms are always listed on the crypto section. Now, if it's for forex, you don't have all forex platforms listed here, so you just have to select the most popular one. So if you click on sources, you're going to see so many forex brokers, so you can select anyone you prefer. Just select anyone you prefer. If your broker is listed here, then you can select it. But if your broker is not listed here, all you just have to do is to select the one you have here, and that's all. Like if you trade with Blueberry, you can use Blueberry, and you're going to see stats based on Blueberry. So, and if you come to crypto, you can filter by exchanges. If you make use of centralized exchange or decentralized exchange, you just have to click on any of them. I make use of centralized exchange. Then you come to sources, you come to all sources. All sources is where you're going to see all the exchange. So you click on all source, then you're going to see so many exchange. So if you make use of Binance, you just click on Binance. If you make use of Bybit like I do, then you can go ahead and select Bybit. Now, if you don't have an account on Bybit, please go to my description below and click an account and click the link there to create an account. Now, with that said, all you just have to do is to click on this little plus icon here, and it's going to add that coin. I'm going to click on plus. As you can see, added to crypto. So if I go back, you see crypto has been added. It has been added to my list. So you can see it right here. So that's how to go ahead and add coins, forex pairs, stocks, all these things to your watch list. So this is the chart section. This is where you can actually see how the market is moving. And the first section you are seeing right here, this is where if you tap on it, it's scrollable. You can scroll to various currency pairs or various crypto pairs, anyone you have. Then it's going to show you the pairs and show you price movements. So you can also pinch on your screen. You can pinch on your screen if you want to zoom out, if you want to zoom in, if you want to zoom up and down. You can use different gestures. You can pinch up and down, but to pinch up and down, you have to do it on the price movement right here. If you want to pinch up and down to maybe reduce the price, so you can see a broad view of how the market is moving. So if I pinch up and down, you can see right here I'm pinching up and down. I'm just pinching up and down. You can see right here pinching up and down. So now if you pinch like this, left and right, you're going to bring the market closer to see how the market is moving. So if I pinch it, you see it right here. Now I'm pinching left and right, left and right, left and right, and just pinching like that. And if you pinch out, you're going to see based on few candlesticks, just so you see price movements based on the few candlesticks. And if you click on this next section you are seeing close to the currency pairs, that is what we call the time frame. That is the time frame. So if you click on it, you can select various time frames. As you can see, you can select various time frames. You can also add to favorites. So you can add to favorites. You can, if you add to favorites, it's going to be on your section. So once you are scrolling like this, just as you did for the currency, when you're trying to scroll and select a currency, you can also do the same thing too for time, just to select your favorite time. All right. So if you have a favorite time, you can select your favorite time. But if you tap on it, you can see a broad time frame. So if you want to go ahead and add it to your favorites, all you just have to do is to hold it, and once you hold it, it's going to bring out add to favorites. Then you click on add to favorites, and it's going to add it to your favorites. And that's all. You can also add a custom interval, but I think to add a custom interval, you need to be on the premium plan if you want to go ahead and add a custom interval. So the next button you are seeing right here, this is where you can add various drawings to your charts. Like you can add trend line, horizontal line, you can add Fibonacci, you can add so many types of drawings to your chart. So let's say you know how to go ahead and analyze the market, and you want to analyze the market, this is where you do it. So let's say, for example, I'm looking at this particular crypto pair and I want to go ahead and mark my support level. I just have to click on the drawing icon. Then I have to go ahead and select the particular tool I want to use. So you can also actually make use of search, which is really cool. So I'll just search for triangle and I'll click on triangle, and it's going to give me that triangle. As you can see right here, now it's showing me this blue dot on my screen. So I'll just tap on it. So you just tap on it. So once you tap on it, it's going to tap. Then you can drag it out. So you can see there is a rectangle on my chart. So I'll say this top level is going to be my resistance level. So you can see we also have this small toolbar right here. So this small toolbar you're seeing right here is going to help you edit this particular rectangle. All right, so if you want to change the color of this rectangle, you want to change the fill color, you can change the fill color to maybe you prefer a green color. If you want to have a border radius around it, you can also do that as well. And if you want to get a broad view of customizations you can do to this particular rectangle, you just have to click on this arrow here, click on it, then click on more button, then you're going to see settings. Scroll down to settings, click on settings, and you're going to get a broad view of how to go ahead and customize this rectangle to your taste. So that's it. So I'll click on OK. Then that's it. As you can see, I've marked my resistance level on this chart. So you can also do, if you want to draw a trend line, you can just tap on it, search for trend line, then you draw a trend line. So I'll just click on trend line, then I'll draw my trend line. So this is an upward movement, so I'll just draw my trend line like this. So this is how to go ahead and add drawings to your chart. If you want to add Fibonacci, you can add Fibonacci as well. You can just search for Fibonacci, and you're going to see Fibonacci retracements right there. And there are also other various Fibonacci tools you can actually make use of on your chart actually. So that's it concerning drawings. So coming to this next section, let me quickly talk about deleting these drawings from your chart. So delete the drawing from your chart, you just have to tap on it, and you're going to see delete icon here. It is delete icon. You click on the delete icon, and it's going to delete from your chart. You select again, and you click on delete, and it's going to delete from your chart. Now this next icon you are seeing here, this is where you can add more customization to your chart. So if you want to go ahead and create a separate layout, like you want to have two different layouts, you can actually do that. If you want to go ahead and edit your chart, maybe you want to change the background color, you want to change the candlesticks colors and all, you can actually do it right here. And if you also want to add indicators to your chart, this is where you can actually do it. So all you just have to do is to come to the tools section. This tool section, you're going to see indicators. This is where you can actually add indicators. So you click on indicators, it's going to bring out a section where you can have favorites, technicals, financials, and community. You also have personal. Personal is if you create your own indicator, you're gonna have it there. So if you come to technicals, you're gonna see so many indicators. So depending on the indicator you want to make use of, so if you have a favorite indicator, or you feel you have certain indicators you want to search, you can actually search them here. For me, let's say I want to search for moving average. I'll just search for moving average, and we're gonna see moving average. So we have two: moving average exponential, and moving average simple. So I'll just click on moving average simple, and you can see added to my chart. So you get that notification that it has been added to your chart. Then you can go back and you can see that the moving average added to my chart. As you can see right here, you can see that blue, you can see this blue line right here. That's the moving average on my chart. So if you click on the moving average, if you click on it, you can see more customizations. Like you can turn it off. You can this first icon is to hide the moving average on the chart. This next icon is settings icon. If you want to go ahead and customize the moving average, maybe you have your favorite moving average settings, you can actually do that. So you have the next delete icon if you want to delete it out of your chart. So I'll just click on delete, and I'm going to delete it out of my chart. So I'll go back to that same tool. Then you're going to see layouts. You see layout setup, and you see a different layout. This is my own layout. I created a separate layout for this training. So if you click on the arrow there, you're going to see this. And now you're going to be wondering, how do you make use of this? You can actually click on new if you want to create a new layout, and you can click on load if you've saved a layout that you want to make use of. So I can just click on new, and it's going to bring this create a new layout. Then I'm going to put create a new layout. Let's just say YT video. Now I'll click YT video. Now it's going to create my new layout. So as you can see right here, this is my new layout. So it's created my new layout. So I'll just go back to I'll click on load. Then I'll click on training, because I want to make use of the training layout. Now, most of these features, if you try to make use of most of these features on the TradingView free plan, you will notice you can't access most of these features because the free plan is limited. All right. So if you click on that icon again, you're going to see more settings. So if you click on layouts, you're going to get different layouts. Maybe you want to have two charts side by side. So if you want to look at two different markets at the same time, you can do it making use of layouts. But I won't advise you to do that using your mobile phone, because it's going to look really, really complicated. So I'll advise you stick with just one layout. If you click on that icon again, you're going to see what we call trade with brokers. So if you want to go ahead and trade with a particular broker, maybe you can actually trade with your broker right on TradingView. So if you click on trade with broker, you are going to see various brokers. So I think the screen is still loading. So as you can see right here, this is it. You can also do paper trading, which is demo trading most people call it. So you can actually do paper trading here on TradingView, whereby you just trade with demo funds of how the market's moving, and you trade there, which is really cool. So if you have your favorite broker, for me, I make use of Bybit. I can actually make trade right here on Bybit. So if you're a forex trader and you want to go ahead and link your broker, and if your broker is listed on Bybit on TradingView, you can do that. You can trade directly from TradingView. But most of the time, I notice for most forex brokers are not on TradingView. All right, they are not on TradingView, but most of the crypto brokers or crypto exchange platforms are on TradingView. All right, they are all on TradingView, so you can actually link most of them on TradingView. So I'll cancel that. That's how to connect it, but I'm not going to show you how to connect this right now. But maybe I'll create a separate video. If you want to watch that video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create that video. And if you've watched the video to this point and you still haven't subscribed to the channel, I'm really, really mad at you. Please go ahead and smash that red subscribe button so you can actually get more content, more educational content like this one you're actually watching. And also don't forget to give this video a like. I'm sure I've done a great job explaining lots of TradingView features in this video, but let's continue with the video. So as you can see right here, the next button we're going to talk about is the compare. So now if you're looking for compare, you're trying to compare two different assets. Like let's say you're trying to compare euro. Here, I can't compare Euro USD to GBP USD. You can actually do it with the compare section, so you can have two charts side by side. So you can add it to your chart. So you just click on it, and it's gonna say new pen. So you click on new pen. So that's all. So you cancel it. You can see we have it. We have just an overview of how it's moving. So you can actually delete it. You can click on it and delete it if you want. You'll notice you can see them right here. If you add some indicators, like if you add RSI, MACD, average true range. If you add most of these indicators, they'll be on a separate page on your chart. So in order for you to activate them, you have to double click on your screen and it's going to pop up these remaining two indicators. So now you'll be able to have options to use. As you can see, this is my RSI and this is my MACD above. So I can adjust this too by just selecting this line here. Then I'll be able to adjust it to my taste. So I can view both indicators. So if you want to bring a broad view of it, just have to double click on it and it's going to bring out the whole idea of how the MACD is moving. Then you can close it if you want. So now let's click on the icon again. Then on the icon, you're going to notice there's alerts. So if you want to go ahead and add alerts to your chart, let's say, for example, you instead of being on the market 24/7, you can go ahead and make use of alerts, whereby if the market comes down to a certain level, you want to get a notification. So the alert is the best tool for that. All you just have to do is to click on alert and it's going to bring out your alert. So you can add alerts to your chart. Now, as you can see, we're going to click on create alert and it's going to bring out the pop-up. All right, so as you can see right here, this is the create alert. So you just go ahead and put in the particular value you want to get alert for. So, and you can also select different types of alerts, how you want it to be. Maybe if it's cross, up or down, or greater than or less than, or entering a channel, whatever you want. You can actually do all the settings and you create an alert. So for me, I'll just do create alert. I'll just create an alert at that level. So as you can see, alert created right here on the chart. You can see the alert there. So if you click on it, you can as well delete the chart, but you can click on it. You can also move it. You can move the alert up or down depending on what you want. You can also select the alert. You can delete it if you want. You can also delete the alert right there. So yeah, so if you click on the icon again, you're going to see bar replay. So this bar replay is if you want to replay previous charts, whereby you want to go ahead and analyze or test or back test your strategy. This bar replay is very, very useful. So if you are on the premium, you're going to enjoy this feature. Now, the next icon we also have here is the indicator templates, where you can see various indicator templates that are created on the community for people to make use of. All right, so the next option we have is the chart type. This is where you can actually go ahead and change how you want your candlestick to look like, or how you want the charts to look like. Maybe you prefer a line chart, you can make it of a line chart. If you go back to the chart type, so you can select whatever type of charts you love making use. For me, I love making use of candles, so I select candles. If you click on it, you notice we have more options, which is object tree. This object tree is where you can actually see all your drawings, your indicators around the chart. You can see how they look like, in case you want to go ahead and put one above one, or one below one, or something like that. You can do it basically on the object tree, but I don't really make use of the object tree. So if you scroll down, we also have security details, where you can see more information about the currency, or the pairs you're actually trying to trade, or the pair you're trying to look at. So if you go to that section again, you're going to see other tools like financials, forecast, and technicals. So if you click on technicals, you're going to get to see the technicals of that particular currency you're trying to view. So if you go back to that same place, you're going to see Pine Editor. Now, this Pine Editor is useful for those that know how to go ahead and write scripts. All right, so if you know how to write scripts to create your own indicator, you can actually do it right here from the Pine script. But it's going to be really difficult to make use of a mobile phone to create your own script. I'm sure you understand. So if you close this, then the next option we have here is the explore page. This explore page is where you can actually go ahead and read latest news that's coming out on a particular market. If it's a stock, crypto, futures, indices, economy, you can actually see their news right here on TradingView, and you can also see economic calendar right here on TradingView, and you can also see ideas from other crypto traders or forex traders, or traders basically. You can see ideas from them. You can see, if you scroll down, you can see ideas. You can see crypto. You can see top gainers and losers. You can see brokers. So this explore is just for you to get overview of everything that is going on in the market. Now, coming to this community section, the community section is where you can actually see ideas from various traders. You can see what they're actually sharing in the community. People can actually share educational content. People can actually share content related to what they feel what they feel this currency, how they feel this currency is going to react maybe in the next few days or in the next few hours or in the next few minutes. They can actually go ahead and share their ideas with the community. So now the next section we have here is the more section, or the menu section. This is where you can actually see, you can actually log out and log in. You can actually see your profile, you can see your followings, your ideas. You can also go ahead and subscribe to TradingView Premium. Currently I'm using the essential plan, and as you can see right here, which is showing this essential right here, so it shows I'm using the essential plan. So if you click on the settings right here, you go in settings here, you can actually go ahead and create, you can change, if you feel like making use of the light theme or the dark theme, you can actually change it right here. And you can also turn on and off push notification, and that's it. And you can also delete your account right here. Now I haven't talked about one feature, and that feature is how to go ahead and customize your chart. So if you come back to the chart section, if you come back to the chart section, if you scroll here, you can actually scroll, you can scroll here, so you can scroll. So if you scroll, you notice there are other options, like we have icons to make this a full screen. This is for full screen. So if you click it, you see full screen. And this next icon is the idea icon. You want to share your ideas, and this last icon is the share icon. If you want to go ahead and share your chart, you want to take a screenshot or whatever, you can actually do it right here on this. So yeah, let's talk about how to go ahead and change the colors of your charts. To change the colors, so to go ahead and customize your charts, all you have to do is to go ahead and click on this section. You're going to see settings. You see the setting icon here, just the setting icon. You click on it and it's going to bring out this. Then you scroll down to more settings. Click on more settings. Now you're going to see all these settings. This is where you can go ahead and customize your settings. So if you change your chart background and all, you click back, you click on this back icon. Then you're going to see symbols, you're going to see canvas, and you come to canvas, click on canvas. Then clicking on canvas, this way you can actually change your color. You can see it right here. You can see background color, you can see grid, you can see all this. You can actually go ahead and customize your colors here. So if I change my colors to, if I get my color to gray and click on OK, you'll notice my background color has changed. So if I want to change my candlestick color, I just click on it, go back to more, then go back, then click on symbol. Then you can see right here, this is your body, green and close candle. So if you want to change your candlestick color, let's say you prefer this color, I would select this and select something like this and OK. So you can see my chart is looking different now. So if I click on plus icon and go back again to my settings, I can do a bunch of customizations on my chart. So if you have a favorite way you want your chart to look like, you can do it right here from the more settings. You can turn off other features that you don't really make use of, like maybe plus button or whatever. You can actually do that and remove all of them on your chart. So that's it, guys, concerning how to go ahead and make use of TradingView. I'm sure I've been able to talk on most of the TradingView features. Please, if I ignored any TradingView feature and you want me to explain it or how to go ahead and make use of a particular feature, please go ahead and drop it in the comment section below, and I will try my best to create a separate video for that. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.